How to manage saved passwords on Android. This tutorial shows you how to view, edit, and delete your saved passwords through Chrome. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. From there, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap Settings from the menu that appears. At this point, tap Google Password Manager. From here, you'll see a full list of every username and password Chrome has saved across different websites and apps. Following this, tap on any entry you want to manage. After that, you'll be prompted to verify your identity with your fingerprint before anything is revealed. From here, once verified, you'll see a few options available for that saved password. At this point, tap the eye icon if you want to view the password in plain text. From there, tap the copy icon if you want to copy the password directly to your clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. Following this, tap Edit if you need to update the username or password saved for that entry. Make your changes and tap Save to confirm. Finally, if you want to remove the entry completely, tap Delete and the saved password will be gone straight away. That's how you manage saved passwords on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.